Oh, modulator sounds pretty good in my radio, Mr. Don Ho. Bang, bang. Fotan. I actually came down here to turn this mess up. And there you go, no doubt about it. Oh, Mr. Bamboo, windjammer got down. I'm burning rubber too, man. They ain't going over in Phoenix, Arizona. You better tell Windjammer to pump it up. 231 says Windjammer, pump it up. I'm gonna go eat some dinner. It's dinner time over here. Hey, Mr. Bamboo, it's dinner time over here. I gotta go. I'll catch you later. Fotan, and it's not no takeout. We don't have fast food dinners over here. We eat real food. Hey, Don Ho, ain't no takeout over here. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye. Hello to you, 43 Austin, San Francisco Bay, breaker, breaker. Hello, Wild Dog. Hey, Wild Dog, you done settled down for a year. Live Good day. Just want to let you know I got a love gate rolling. I got a love gate rolling. Baby brothers. I got one day older. I know about Rio, you copy. No doubt about it, man. You don't have the stretch mark. Too sure who you're talking about, really. Hey, big brother, you see it's 100% right there. No squeal. And I can tell the audio got louder. I can tell the audio did get louder than 410. Hey, renegade. I know I got it right. Take care. Yeah, it's not squealing. I can tell a little difference. I can tell a little difference. It's kind of knocked the audio back just a little bit. Nothing to worry about, though. You say you reserved there for 10. You say you can't hear them. Probably about 70-75% right now. That's what I'm running at. About 70 to 75%. Yeah, that's real good right there. Actually, I think it cleaned up. I think it got a little bit louder over here in my radio. But yeah, well, you can work it right there. You shouldn't have no problem with it. Yeah, that's pretty much where I run mine at. And about 60%. That's where I run mine at. And then just let it do what it's gonna do. Yeah, well, it's definitely working for it. It's definitely working for you. So like I said with that, it's doing a damn good job of clean. You can get all coming into my video. You can come all the way off that 410. Hello, Roller Coaster Kids, long time, no talk to you. Yeah, I slow key. I was just trying to see what was up, man. Why you working out for it? Mr. Godfather reading the mail. I want to bring up that old caterpillar. I think I'm gonna let that caterpillar rest for today. Well, I want to crank up my own let's coast. We got Roller Coaster Kid, and we got Roller Coaster. Hello, Roller Coaster. Hey, Ocean, this is 186.